ScouterStan. Let's talk about your district committee. Before we get into that, think about it. Would you like to make a real impact in your community with scouting and have fun doing it? Guess what? There's a perfect place for every scout leader, and that's known as your district committee. It's the perfect place to just join in and have fun with scouting. A lot of scout leaders are very, very focused on their own unit. It can be overwhelming. Now, if you think about it, there are so many other units in your district. So getting involved with the district committee puts it all together. Your district committee is a network of volunteers and leaders who help support your local district in your council. They organize a lot of different things that go on within your area, within your community. Your district provides resources and training and different events for all the local scout units within your area. Your district committee also has many different departments and positions that are available. Now, we have done podcasts on the different positions within the district committee. So I highly recommend that you go back through our catalog here and try to find those podcasts about those positions. But you might want to think about, if you've never done this, if you think about why should someone join the district committee? First off, you're going to make a difference within your community, and this will help shape young leaders and impact youth within your area directly. Developing leadership skills within the adult group of volunteers will help you gain experience in planning, mentoring, and of course, communications. Joining your district committee helps you network with like-minded people, connect with other passionate volunteers, in addition to community leaders who are involved in scouting. The district committee has fun and enjoys a unique experience of planning and organizing different events for the entire scouting community. Everything from district camporees and different types of training and many other special events. Hey, before we go any further, I want to make sure that you know that you are invited to the campfire chat meeting we have each month on the first Sunday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. We get together around the campfire and talk about all kinds of scouting issues, and you have a reserved seat in the chat where you can ask questions of anyone on the live show. So you don't want to miss it. Let me take a moment to just thank all of the patrons on Patreon. They've been financially supporting this podcast for quite some time. Also, I want to thank all of the members of the YouTube channel that have also been supporting financially what we do here. If you have a moment, you can definitely check us out at ScouterStan.org. Okay, now that you got the information, let's head on back. Now, there are some common misconceptions. One of them is, do I need to have been a scout before? No, actually. Everyone can get involved. The district committee has a place for everyone and all the different skills you bring. Is it a huge time commitment? As a volunteer, you choose what kind of time you can commit voluntarily to whatever you commit to in the committee. So you have to know your own time management. Do I have to be an expert in camping or leadership? Nope. Training is completely provided for any of the technical skills that may be needed. Anyone can get involved with the committee. There might be some people that love editing, newsletters, websites, all that kinds of things can be done, and helping them out helps make your district committee stronger and more productive. Now, you might be asking, how do I get involved with the district committee? Quite simply, attend a district committee meeting. At this meeting, you're going to see the key three of the district. You're going to also hear all the things that are going on within your district. And that will tell you what roles you can help out and assist with. That's how you start to get involved. Now, one of the major people at that meeting will be your district commissioner. And because commissioning is so vital and so important these days, the district commissioner will probably ask you to become a unit commissioner, as it is overwhelmingly needed. And that too is a lot of fun. And we have podcasts on that. So be ready for that. And it's okay. It's totally acceptable. And it's very Scout-like to say no. You have to be able to do that. And a lot of Scout leaders, like myself, don't hear no. They hear not now. So that is something that you can do. But definitely go to the district meeting and see what needs to be done. You can volunteer small things. That's very helpful and very Scout-like. Hey, I just wanted to jump in here and personally invite you to join the YouTube channel. Our channel has a lot of videos. Also, the podcast is redone there, so you can listen to it when you're enjoying YouTube videos at home, in the car, wherever you listen to your podcasts. Joining the channel helps financially support what we do on the channel and on the podcast. So if you have a moment, definitely next time you're on YouTube, make sure you type in ScouterStan, all one word, and check out our channel. Now let's just jump right on back. Everyone has a unique skill to give. And with that, your district needs that skill. Many hands make the burden lighter. If you wish, you can take on a major component of your district, such as membership, recruitment, advancement, activities, different things with the program. There are a lot of different aspects of that. Adult leaders and parents are invited to attend your district committee meetings. Your chartered organization representative is a member of your district committee. So there will be somebody there you know. I highly encourage getting involved in your district level of what's going on in Scouting America. The district committee actually is part of your scouting community, which your unit is a part of. I highly recommend getting involved, just like you do with your unit and all the hard work you do there. Your district does a lot of hard work behind the scenes for all the units in your community. Keep up that really good hard work in your scout leadership, and I'll see you on the trail.